Magandang araw mga kaibigan, ngayon po ay araw na naman ng Sunday, August 25, 2024. Balik tayo sa pagbabasa ng mga talata sa Biblia. Yahweh possessed me in the beginning of His way, before His work of old. I was set up from everlasting, from the beginning, or ever the earth was. When He prepared the heavens, I was there. When He gave to the sea His decree that the waters should pass His commandment, then I was with Him, as one brought up with Him. And I was daily His delight, rejoicing always before Him, rejoicing in the habitable parts of this earth, and my delights were with the sons of men. Proverbs chapter 8, 22, 23, 27, 29, and 31. Dahil sa katalinuhan at kaalaman sa siyensya ng ating Creator, iyan ang sinasabing Yahweh possessed me. Ay na-create nila ang mga karagatan, mga kabundukan at lahat ng may buhay sa mundo. Sa ika-6 na araw nga ay mga tao. Abangan nyo bukas, alas 8 ng gabi, detalyado kong ipaliwanag ang ibig sabihin ng talatang ito.